really just focus on the stuff you like and the stuff you know how to use and learning it like the back of your hand, and you'll get much more from it than buying loads and loads of new kit. Hello, I'm Satek. Check out my new course for faderpro.com on how to produce live. Today I'm going to show you how you can start to perform live using Ableton and hardware, and how you can start putting together your own live set, and hopefully it'll be the inspiration for your own ideas of performing live, but also the techniques that I'm going to show you, they may open up that creativity in your studio productions as well, because adding this kind of live element can really spark new ideas. It can make you get stuff out of your kit you didn't know was possible. It can make you come up with ideas you would have never thought you'd have had before. So, for example, I'm making techno or house, so I'm always going to want a kick drum to be probably the #1 channel in my live setup. So this is the Pioneer RMX 1000. I've put my own samples in it. It's quite simple the way that you put samples in it. You can only put a few in it, but it's great because you can play those samples live. You can pitch them up, you can pitch them down, you can loop stuff, but it's also got some really kind of powerful dance floor effects on it. Every art form, you know, it's different from producing. You may be the best producer in the world, but if you want to go and take your sound out live, you're going to have to do a lot of work to get there, and there's always a learning curve.